हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिफरेंशिएशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। अब एक नया टॉपिक लेते हैं आज, लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी हैव सम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फंक्शंस गिवन, ओके, सपोज इट इन्वॉल्व्स द प्रोडक्ट, quotients and power, that can be often be simplified more quickly by using logarithm, that is natural logarithm on both sides. Okay, so this will enable us to simplify the given functions and their differentiations very easily. Okay, so suppose we have given, mostly if we have given a function like y is equal to function to the power function, so when we have to solve this type of function, we cannot solve directly the derivative of this function. So for that we have to take the logarithm on both sides. For example, suppose we have given y is equal to x to the power x, and if we want to find the derivative of this function, we cannot find directly the derivative of this function because there is no one rule can apply here. We cannot apply that rule also. Remember, we cannot apply this is x to the power n, we are taking n and then we are taking 1 minus from their power. This is not applicable here because this we have given a constant, then we can write this n and n minus 1, but when we have given function to the power function, that time we cannot use this rule or this is not applicable here. Now, so how to solve this type of questions? So by taking natural logarithm on both sides. So suppose I am taking here log on both sides, so this is log of y is equal to log of x to the power x. Okay student, now if we use here the rule of logarithm, you know the rule of logarithm is what? If we have given there a log of m to the power n, this is, we can write, this is a quotient rule actually, this is n log of m. So the same way we can write here x into log of x by taking this x here. So by this rule we can write this as a x into log x. Now let us see, this is converted to a very simple form. Now we are going to differentiate this with respect to x. So this is what 1 by y, derivative of log of y is what 1 by y, but we are differentiating it with respect to x. Remember, this is a composite function, so 1 by y, and again we have to take the derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Is it? The derivative of log of y is not only a 1 by y because we are differentiating it with respect to x, and because we are differentiating it with respect to x, this becomes a composite function, and therefore we are taking its derivative as a 1 by y into dy by dx, that is derivative of this function again. So is equal to, on the right side there is a product of two functions we have given, so we can use here the product rule. So first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay student, so now this is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, this x and x get cancelled, so 1 plus this is log of x. If we shift the y, this y on the right side, then this is y into 1 plus log of x. Okay, so if we put here the value of x, then this is x to the power x 1 plus log x. So this way we can solve the examples. Thank you student.